Okay, here's the Thanksgiving haul. We have our chocolate pie, pumpkin pie, we got some napkins, and some silverware. Some potatoes, bell pepper, I got this salad, pie crust, steamed broccoli, the cheese for the mac and cheese and the broccoli casserole, heavy whipping cream, buttermilk, got some pepper, cranberry sauce, cream of mushroom soup, cinnamon, salt, white vinegar for the greens, Oreos for the no-bake Oreo cheesecake, black cobbler, sage, chicken broth, all the cheeses we need for the other things, sweet relish for the potato salad, macaroni noodles, the Oreo pie, the pans for the turkey and the ham. We got the apples for the apple pie, our turkey, onions, cornmeal for the dressing, ham, pie crust for the apple pie, celery, sugar, Hawaiian rolls. So that is our Thanksgiving. That's our Thanksgiving haul. So hi guys, if you are new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids. On my channel I like to do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle type things. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In this video I am cooking Sunday dinner after church. Sunday when we got home, I made some rosemary baked chicken with some dressing, cranberry sauce, and mac and cheese. So we had a little pre-Thanksgiving dinner Sunday after church. And I'm just going to be cooking in here and cleaning and prepping Sunday's dinner. And this is Wednesday's motivation. So if you need some cleaning motivation, there's a little bit of cleaning in here and also a grocery haul as you've just seen. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I really hope you have a very blessed Thanksgiving. And I'm going to continue in this video, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? Till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel